Hello guys, welcome to the first day of 10 days of Azure Cloud Security Technologies with Francis. And today I'm going to be talking about Active Directory Service on Azure. Directory service is basically services that helps you enables you to save identities and the attributes related to those identities. And it provides, directory services provide very efficient read access to these attributes and the identities that has these attributes linked to them, right? Now that we know what a directory service is, let's dive right into Azure Active Directory Service. Azure Active Directory Service is, I like to call it like a gateway to your to all the information and data and resources you have on Azure. It is an identity and access management service provided by Azure that enables you to control and manage access to your resources that are available on the Azure cloud platform. So under Azure Active Directory Service, there are a lot of features, there are a lot of security configuration that you can implement to secure your environment. One of those is going to be multiple factor authentication, MFA. You have conditional access policies. You have managed identities. You have principal service policies also. It also helps you, be able to create users, manage the roles, manage the assets that you give to these users, and it also helps you create groups. So let's say you want to give the same level of access to 20 different users. You don't have to go and assign those assets to them individually. Create a group, put those users in those groups, and assign the roles and the access to the group, and everyone in that group will have the access that you have implemented on that group, right? So let's talk about the tiers. There are different tiers of the Azure Active Directory Service. One, you have the free tier, then you have the Microsoft 365 tier, then you have the Premium 1 and Premium 2 tiers, which are definitely more expensive. And depends on what service you need, depends on what you need. That's how you determine which one is most cost efficient for your business needs and your business wants. Talking about Azure Active Directory Service, I know some of us will probably be wondering, so what if I have an on-prem Active Directory infrastructure set up and I want to move over to the cloud, or I want to have some of my data in the cloud? How do I do that? We have something you call AD Connect. It is basically a tool that helps you connect your on-prem Active Directory to the Azure Active Directory Service seamlessly. That way, you're running a hybrid environment, and the users on your environment can have seamless access to both your on-prem applications and features, and have access to the resources hosted on the cloud also. So basically, that's what our Azure Active Directory Service is all about. Just like role-based access control also. You can implement role-based access control in Azure Active Directory Service. It's one of the most important features that are available on Azure Active Directory Service. I'm going to provide some link under this post. You can go click on those links, read a little bit more about Azure Active Directory Service. If you have any other questions you want to ask me about this Azure Active Directory Service, go ahead and put it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to respond to you. And see you guys tomorrow on day 2 of 10 days of Azure Cloud Security Technologies, Francis. Thank you.